Hello everybody, this is Anderson of Bimser International. We are a passionate enterprise software maker bringing the best solution ideas since 1998. Based in New York, we are an American company upholding a strong presence in the global marketplace with many reputable references across all verticals and industries. We are the only company offering 4 unique products that can work independently, with each other, or with any other ERP or CRM system. We have been serving thousands of companies to help them simplify their processes and to be their partner in digital transformation. We offer flexibility, options, and agility to your organization so that you can reduce cost, increase revenue, and manage risk. You can contact us at any time to learn how you can get your company started on digital transformation. This video will talk about how our assets and maintenance management software, BEAM, has helped the maintenance management operations of the German chemical and consumer goods company, Henkel. Dominating the sales of the marketplace with a firm global presence, Henkel leads innovation, brands, and technologies through beauty care, laundry and home care, and adhesive technologies. You may have come across some of their well-known brands as several occurrences during your weekly agenda. Henkel used to run its maintenance management operations with paper-based documentation. The team also lacked a system that would track their assets. It was a sure mess for Henkel to compile analytics of maintenance data with a heavy lack of reports. Also, having to manage the maintenance schedule was problematic, as it was very difficult to plan shutdowns of processes for maintenance or to coordinate as a maintenance team in the instance of shift changes or swaps. Henkel sought to end the chaos and turmoil. Fortunately for them, Bimser International's BEAM was a perfect fit for their needs. Henkel was very impressed by BEAM's powerful assets and maintenance management capabilities. Although BEAM was a lonesome pioneer in Henkel's digital infrastructure, it excelled at helping Henkel govern the following fields of data: staff, products, vendors, locations, assets, and failure reasons. The introduction of BEAM as a standalone tool in Henkel's new approach to digitization took 4 months. And by that point, Henkel was granted immediate beneficial results thanks to BEAM's services. All assets at Henkel locations were now able to be monitored in real time, along with any maintenance orders regarding these assets assigned to subcontractors. Also, the mobile application of BEAM helped the subcontractors running the maintenance schedule to coordinate their best time to tend to a work order. These Henkel locations were now able to generate reports according to their maintenance operations and maintenance costs. The reporting functionality of BEAM was as easy as could be, with multiple ways to filter a report, along with a setting to schedule periodically automated reports. By digitally transforming Henkel's operations and maintenance management, not only did BEAM greatly minimize the consumption of paper, but it also expanded on their management capabilities and reduced costs. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give a thumbs up. You can visit our official YouTube channel to learn more about how you can bring digital transformation to your company. Or contact us directly to schedule for a free demonstration session of BEAM. Again, this is Anderson of Bimser International. Thank you for watching.